Hello Year 9 and Happy New Year. Welcome to a very strange way to start 2021. So this is just a short assembly to welcome you into the new virtual school year and to remind you of how home learning works, because it's been a little while since we've done it. First of all, I'm going to bore you with tales of my Christmas, because who doesn't want to see lots of cats and me dressed up as a reindeer? So we'll start as we mean to go on. Top left, you'll see me. I'm meant to be a reindeer. I look more like a character off of Mario Kart. I wasn't particularly successful. I also discovered that I could do portraits. Not really, they're shocking. I discovered that I can't be trusted with anything remotely artistic ever again. And then you've got the cats, as always, because I am a crazy cat lady, but most of you know this already. So that's kind of summing up what my very much lockdown Christmas was like. And I hope you all had a lovely break as well, or as much as you could do with the restrictions. So, the plan with schoolwork. A little bit different from the last time that we were doing this, when teachers would set you one piece of work per week. Because we've missed so much school, and to try and keep you in as much of a routine as possible, it's really important that you're looking at your Go for Schools every day and doing as much work as you can. So, you're probably already aware of this from emails your tutors might have sent you or how it's worked today so far, but your work will be on Go for Schools from 8:55 each day, and they will be the lessons that you would have had that day at school, so we're just going to follow your normal timetable. Some teachers might invite you to Teams lessons, and sometimes you're going to have to upload work onto Teams as well. What I would recommend you do so that you stay in as much of a routine as possible and don't turn into some sort of nocturnal creatures is to try to get your work done each day and follow your school timetable as much as you can. If you can't access your emails or Teams, or you're struggling with IT access, please let me or Miss Gillard know and we can help you and we'll sort something out for you. The second thing is your mental health, which has never been more important than it is now. And this is really just a reminder that we are here for you. Even though you're not with us physically, we can still get in touch with you. So you can email us anytime, you can arrange a phone call. We are just at the end of an email. And remember, if you don't want to talk to us but you are struggling, then you can use online services too. So there are the school nurses, the Emotional Wellbeing Hub and Kooth. And I'm going to send out a document with an email to you later so that you know where to access those facilities. On top of that, Miss Gillard and I will be sending out a weekly wellbeing survey just to check in with you to see how you're doing, and that's another opportunity for you to say, yeah, no, I'm actually fine, really proud of this piece of French work I did, or for you to say, yeah, I'm actually struggling quite a bit and I could really use a phone call right now. So it's just another opportunity for you to get in touch with us, because the most important thing during this is that you look after yourselves, okay? So you're an amazing year group. I have absolute faith in you. You are all going to be amazing, but please keep in touch. Take care.